Imagine a life where everything is in your control. Is that even possible? So often, we give up on our dreams and start following someone else's path. But stop for a moment and think. What if the path to your life was something you've never even seen before? This story is about one decision, a decision that can change everything. The first decision, to recognize your thoughts and control them. Because it's your mind that will either lead you to success or hold you back forever. The second decision, the small choices you make today are what shape your tomorrow. Every single day is a new chance. But are you even recognizing that chance? Or are you just letting the days pass by? And the third decision, the only way to fulfill your dreams is to walk the roads that seem strange to everyone else. The straight path isn't always the one that leads to the destination. Are you ready to take that risk? The one that brings real change? Here's the final question. How many times have you asked yourself, am I on the right path? You might be just one step away from your destination, but taking that step, that's your biggest challenge. Now, imagine, if you changed your decisions today, how would tomorrow look? Because the steering wheel of your life is in your hands. It's up to you to decide which direction to take. But remember, one small thought, one small step can change everything. So, are you ready to change your life?